Hey everyone. Today we're diving into Google Drive to show you how to upload entire folders and share files or folders with just a few clicks. Whether you're collaborating on a project, sharing photos, or just keeping your files accessible wherever you go, Google Drive is an excellent platform for sharing files fast and securely with others. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Google Drive. If you're not, go to drive.google.com and sign in with your Google account. To upload a folder, click on the New button at the top left. See it? Now, hit Folder Upload. This is where the magic happens. You can now browse your computer and pick the folder you want to upload. This might take a bit, depending on your internet speed and the folder size. So grab a coffee. All done? Awesome. Now let's talk about sharing. Google Drive makes it easy to share your files or folders with anyone. Find the folder you just uploaded, right-click on it, and select Share. This brings up the sharing settings. You've got a couple of options here. If you want to share it with specific people, type their email addresses here and choose their permission level. Can they just view it? Comment? Or maybe you trust them enough to let them edit. It's totally up to you. Or, if you're like me and prefer a more straightforward approach, click on Change to Anyone with the Link. This option lets anyone with the link view, comment, or edit your folder, depending on what permission you set. Just copy the link and you're good to go. Share it via email, text, social media, etc. And there you have it. You've just uploaded and shared a folder on Google Drive like a pro. Remember, you can adjust the sharing settings if you change your mind. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Do you have any questions or need help with something else? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, happy sharing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.